Hi everyone, this is Sai Fanendra from SQL School and I would be the trainer for Business Analyst Training Program. Over 2 decades of dedication into database, project management, project implementations, pipelining activities and agile implementations, I assure you step-by-step training classes from my SQL School. At SQL School, we are strongly committed for last 20 years on various technologies to impart our trainings, projects, implementations, and job support activities, including placements. We had a strong record of training more than 1 lakh participants and placed majority of them. With our unique step-by-step training classes, practical hands-on, concept-wise FAQs, interview preparations, and certification orientation to make you job ready. We are very confident you love our service and your colleagues are going to join our next classes. Let's get started with the Business Analyst Training Program course details. Agenda for this short video today. We'll be learning who is actually a business analyst. We'll be learning what are the components involved in business analyst. What are the various day-to-day job roles we need to perform as a business analyst. What are the certifications involved and what we actually learn in this 100% true practical hands-on step-by-step training classes, including the real-time project details to get the proper resume format in an optimized way. Let's get started slowly step by step. What is business analyst job role? Business analyst job role is actually focused on a prominent job role that focus on analyzing the business needs, gathering various requirements from the customers and the stakeholders, and delivering the data-driven solutions to improve the process and also to fasten and optimize the business decision-making process. Very simple, straightforward, and very meaningful if we learn it step by step. And we are here at SQL School to make it easier for you. Business Analyst is the best open source platform used for. Yes, it's actually open source platform. It can be used for business requirements gathering and data analysis, process mapping and documentation activities, data analysis and reporting, process improvisations, project collaborations, and project supports with decision making and strategic planning activities, including digital transformations with AI tools, artificial intelligence tools. In our business analyst training program, we included all these items with various use case scenarios and real world implementation projects. Let me explain you in short what exactly business analyst is going to do. A business analyst is actually involved in the high level and the initial level customer requirement and specification process. The initial phase of the project in IT actually starts with business analyst. The BA teams will be involved in the conversations, communications, interactions with stakeholders. They understand the actual business needs. They understand the data and the system requirements, the volumes, the capacities. And BA, business analyst teams also involved in industry standard implementation process and sometimes reuse existing standards, and few other times they need to customize new standards as per the company policy. Once done, then the BA teams will be involved in a series of platforms that involves requirement gathering, analyzing and modeling activities on the project spec. The solution design, it's actually the main overview solution design. The technical spec or the prototype solutions we call. And then we have the next item. We have the implementation support concepts and the support channel planning. Then comes evaluations and improvisations. We'll be taking all these items step by step in our learning process. The BA teams will be involved in the deliverables as well, like business requirement documents, BRD documents. We'll be guiding you how to design these BRDs with ease, step by step. We have process maps and process workflows, reports and dashboards, user stories, use cases, and business values with decision process making activities. Everything single nutshell, our business analyst course. Main important advantage of our classes is practical step by step making you job ready without any unwanted or any other kind of deviated info, straight to the concept practically step by step. In our business analyst training program, we are going to learn good number of activities to support your day-to-day job roles. Right from customer needs, customer requirements, decision-making activities, project planning concepts, data modeling activities, data analysis, BRD, business requirement documentations, specs, data modeling activities, agile activities, and everything. We'll take it step by step in our classes. There are certifications for business analyst and we will be learning it in our classes. We will be guiding you for those certification items also. Within the course, guidance of the certification is included. In addition to that, our SQL school and MSME Government of India Certified Institute, we are eligible to provide valid and genuine certificate once you complete the training from us. We will do it slowly, step by step. Either you go for in-house in Hyderabad, India, or live online, same content, same curriculum that we deliver. What exactly we learn in this course? Yes, we divided the entire business analyst training program into 7 different modules. First module will be learning the SQL. So firstly, the first module is business analyst main concepts, the introduction concepts like what is BA, what exactly we do as a BA, and how to read the customer data or the customer requirements, how to step into planning activities, process documentations, and so on will be the first module, the introduction. Then comes second module, the technical aspects, SQL concepts. Here we'll be learning from business analyst perspective queries, understanding the data at technical level or SME level, subject matter expert level. We'll be learning about the concepts of Power BI for dashboarding and data analysis, including data modeling in third module. Here in third module, we have AI as well. AI Copilot comes in third module, Power BI. Then comes Python analytics. We are not into Python programming, but we'll be learning. We need to have certain skill set of Python as an analyst, technical analyst, for the purpose of understanding the requirements, planning the project implementation process, and also to deal with the customers to understand their main key takeaways and even to understand our team requirements at the next level. In our classes, we have the next module, Excel with Agile and also macros. Then sixth module is all about requirements and workflow concepts. We'll be learning about the BRDs, FRDs, SRS documentations, the process mapping activities, gap analysis and solution approach. Very, very important concepts technically, not theoretically. Finally, at the end, we have the Agile and BRD activities in more detail. Everything slowly, step by step, we are going to learn in our classes. And one more important thing, I request you to practice on time. I request you to make sure you get the best use of your resources. The detailed material we provide and the actual assignments we do after the concept every day. The use case scenarios, the mock interviews, everything for you, and we are here to guide you and make you a true successful certified analyst in next 4 months from now. What more you are waiting for? Please join our detailed step-by-step training classes. I request you to ensure on-time practice of all my concepts, all our training classes, which are actually aimed at detailed, very, very neat, straightforward examples. We are here to repeat every example as many number of times as you need until we are successful enough to make you understand the actual concept. Given the fact you practice on time, we are here to guide you. Given the fact you are cautious to ensure proper learning activities with our step-by-step guidance, yes, we are here to provide you the complete and successful journey ahead. We'll do it slowly, step by step. Every concept, trust me, every concept has detailed notes, detailed examples, and concept-wise assignments right from day one. What more you want? Let's get started. Let's understand more about the technical activities right from the day one of our classes. This is Sai Fanidhar once again, and I would be one of the trainers for this lengthy program, 4 months program. We have other trainer as well, Mr. Gunashekhar. He will be taking care of Advanced Excel, Python, Advanced Excel, and workflow activities. Mr. Gunashekhar will take care. The intro activities, SQL concepts, Power BI, and AI Copilot, I will take care. At the end, the project explanation part, again I will be involved. I will be the actual caretaker for your entire course. Mr. Gunashekhar will be involved in the course for Python, Agile, Excel. But mock interviews, concept-wise assignments, resume optimizations, I will handle. I'll be working with you one-to-one, one-on-one for such key takeaways during and end of the course. Let's get started. Either you go for the live online or self-paced videos or in-house classroom in our Hyderabad facility. I'm pretty sure you love our service right from trainings to projects to mock interviews to placements and to job support. See you there in our actual classes, and thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care. See you soon. Thank you so much.